Trinity B1 GESE English exam mock test. Our candidate today is Sara, and this exam is a pass with distinction. This is a great example of how you want to speak. Watch until the end, and I'll give you some more thoughts. Let's go. Good morning. This is the Trinity Grade 5 GESE exam. My name is Mrs. Examiner. What is your name, please?
My name is Sara.
Hello, Sara, and how are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
Oh, good. Thank you. What is your topic for today, please?
My topic is my hobby, cooking.
Oh. And what are your 5 sub-points, please?
My sub point is how I learned to cook, things I prefer to cook,
Yes?
why I love cooking,
Mm. Yes?
and the most difficult dish I have ever cooked.
Okay.
And last one is my future plan for cooking.
Okay, so let me first ask, do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love cooking. Because it's important to me to cook nutritious food for my family.
Oh, lovely. And what types of food do you like to cook?
I like to cook rice, pasta, chicken curries, and different mixed vegetables because they are easy to cook and takes less time. Sorry,
Oh,
take less time. Yeah.
okay. So do you prefer to cook vegetables or rice?
Uh, I prefer to cook rice because it's easy to cook.
Uh, and tell me, what is the most difficult thing you have ever cooked?
The most difficult thing I have ever cooked is sweet rice. It's my traditional, like my country traditional dish.
Ooh,
So I find it difficult to cook because it takes a lot of time. And when I cook, it also need like balance between two elements like rice and sugar syrups.
I see. Cooking can be very difficult.
Yes, it is.
Tell me, how did you learn how to cook?
I have learned cooking from my mother,
Mm.
and she taught me different recipes, different ingredients, and cooking style. And I also taught from my grandmother.
It's a wonderful skill to have.
Yes.
And tell me, what are your future plans? What will you cook next?
Uh, Now my children are small, so I'm thinking when they are grown up, and I would have more time to learn to do some coursework, and then also I improve my baking skill and my grilling skill because I'm not good at them. So when my children are grown up, so I will do more coursework and work as a chef somewhere, like in a restaurant or somewhere else. I will check on that time.
Ooh, that sounds like a very exciting plan.
Thank you.
And do you teach your children how to cook, or are they still too little?
Oh, they they're still too little. They're just making noise
Ah,
at
will
this time.
will you teach them to cook in the future?
Yes, hopefully, especially my daughter.
Mm.
Yeah, I want her. I will definitely teach her different dishes and different traditional dishes from my country.
And do you prefer to cook food from your country or from the UK?
I mostly cook my country food, and but I also try UK food. Last time I cooked like it's beef steak and mushroom sauce.
Okay. Can you ask me a question about your topic?
Okay, what do you like to cook?
I like to cook vegetarian meals because I'm a vegetarian.
Okay, and what is your favorite food?
Oh, there's so many. Don't get me started. Let's move on for a moment to entertainment. What do you like to
Oh,
do for entertainment? Do you watch television or films?
no, I don't watch film. I watch videos on YouTube and I watch TikTok.
YouTube and TikTok. Which do you prefer? YouTube or TikTok?
Mostly I watch video on TikTok because they are short video,
Mm,
so that's why I watch it.
yeah, we don't have time nowadays, do we?
Yes, no, I don't have too much time because I have small little kids to look after them.
Sure. And have you ever made a YouTube or TikTok yourself?
No, I didn't. And I am thinking in future if if I have a time, more time, then I will make some video related cooking.
Uh, that's a great plan. Do you watch a lot of cooking videos?
Yes, some informative video, some cooking video, and sometime nowadays I'm preparing my tests, different tests. So I watch videos on YouTube and TikTok.
Do you spend a lot of time watching YouTube and TikTok or not so much time?
No, not much. Whenever I am free, then I watch video.
And do you like to watch videos in the morning or at night? Which do you prefer?
Uh, at night when my kids are sleeping, then then I have some relaxing time.
You're not interrupted.
Yeah.
What did you watch last weekend or last week? Did you watch cooking videos or something else?
Yes, I watch cooking video. Yes, I watch different like ingredients of different foods. And whenever I want to cook new things, I, I look it up to the TikTok or YouTube. I just copy their style and ingredients, everything,
Mm.
and try to cook.
What will you watch next on YouTube or TikTok?
Next, I have a plan to do my theory test, driving theory test. So I definitely watch video from, I watch a YouTube video and I watch TikTok to learn my theory. I also get some practice, of test.
It's great. There's so much information available to us for free.
Yes.
Can you ask me a question about this topic?
Okay. Which type of entertainment you prefer?
I like YouTube because there's so much information there.
And any other source of entertainment you like?
No, like you, I don't have too much time. Let's go on. Tell me, have you had any personal experiences recently?
uh, yes, I have taken my exam, life in the UK, and I passed it.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Did you spend a lot of time studying for that exam?
Yeah, I was preparing for so long because I didn't get enough time to take that exam because of my little children.
Yes.
So I definitely passed it last month.
Wow. And was it difficult to pass or easy?
No, it's easy to pass,
Oh, good.
but it takes time to prepare when you have many activities or works to do. So
How,
that's why.
how much time did you spend preparing? A few days, weeks, months?
Uh, you can say it's months.
I understand.
Yeah.
And Do you prefer to prepare for exams online, studying by yourself, or do you prefer in a classroom?
No, I studied by myself. And sometime I also get help from like on a YouTube video and a TikTok video.
And do you prefer to do things like that instead of going to the library and getting a book?
Um, no, I prefer to do like at home, online, everything.
Hmm.
Even my wish is all exams should be online.
Have you ever taken an exam online?
Yes, it's related to health and safety. It's exam. It's took about half hour. So I took that exam online.
And what exam will you take next?
I told you it's a like a theory test,
Mhm.
driving theory test. So after this exam B1, I will prepare that test.
And can you ask me a question about this topic?
Okay, what are you doing nowadays? Like your how you are spending time or your personal experience, any personal experience?
I am also studying a language online, so I understand your pain with studying for things.
Yeah,
Well, thank you. That is our exam for today. Thank you very much for speaking with me.
thank you very much.
Wow, that was a good one, wasn't it? This is a pass with distinction example, and I'd say this is a great example to study if you want to pass this exam with distinction. Sarah is a smart lady, and she mentioned that she passed life in the UK. She's going to do her theory test. She's been studying for this exam. Sarah knows how to take a test, and she answered all of my questions in a manner that made it easy for me to give her full marks. Because when I ask, do you prefer this or that? And she answers, I prefer this because it makes it easy for the examiner. What will you do next? When I ask a future tense and she says very clearly, I will do this, I plan to do this, I hope to do this. It makes it very easy for the examiner to give you the full marks. The examiner doesn't have to think, does she know it? Does she not know it? No, this is clear. Sarah knows it, and she demonstrates it. Her pronunciation is clean and clear. Does she have an accent? Sure. But can I understand her 100%? No problem. The speed that she speaks at is a nice speed. It's a good speed. It sounds natural and normal, like a conversation you would have with anyone in the UK. The other thing I want to mention is Sarah has been preparing for this test. She has young children at home, so she's preparing using YouTube and TikTok. This is a great example of what you can do learning online. Keep studying, keep learning English.